Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to download your TikTok video without a watermark. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now I'm going to open up the TikTok app here and tap on the profile icon at the bottom. Right, and you can see there's this one video. I'll tap on that, and if you want to save this to your camera roll gallery, you can tap the three dots and you can see at the bottom left your save video. And it will save this video and I'll show you what it looks like. The annoying thing is it saved it and that's easy. However, it has that TikTok watermark on the left and it bounces around here. It's kind of obnoxious that it has that TikTok watermark, even though this is my video to download it without that watermark. What you can do is tap the three dots again, and then you're just going to tap copy link. So I'm going to hit copy link here. So I'm going to copy the link of that video on TikTok. Open up Safari or Google Chrome, and then I'm going to type in snaptik.app. So snaptik.app and go here, and it says at the very top TikTok video downloader, without a watermark, fast all devices. So I can paste here this link that I just copied from that video, and I can hit the download button. It'll pop up with a little ad, and then it will give us the ability to download this video. So I'm just going to say download server to full HD. And it says, do you want to download this video? I'll hit download right here, and you can see at the very bottom left, there's a little down arrow, and that means it's been downloaded. Can tap on that and then tap downloads here and then this top one. And you can see that this is the video. It doesn't look like it's loaded quite yet. The bottom one is one that I just did recently as well. You can see that it has downloaded this video now and it doesn't have the watermark anymore. So I can do whatever I want with this video. I can put in my camera roll gallery by tapping the button at the bottom left here, the share one, and say add to save the video, save 2 files. I can text it, I can email it, whatever I want with this video. I hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below and make sure to subscribe. Thanks.